A rush order can require altering in the planned execution sequence, disrupting the current schedule. To manage this, NAVEKSA have introduced a function enabling the planner to rearrange orders in the stack, moving them forward or backward according to their priority. Let's look at this in the NAVEKSA shop floor. The production order number 101337 have been selected. Then you click on the orders ready here. Now you have different options to choose from. For instance, you can look up the bill of materials and routing, add process notes to the production's order, and change priority. In this case, we want to change the priority on one of our production's orders because we need to have this ready soon. So, let's choose the priority button, and then you get a window presented. You change to 7, and now the production order will rank higher. Now we can see the priority on the production order on the top, which means that the operator will be presented by this at first, and then he will know to fulfill this for the others.